Try them. You can. Yep. And then. It's so fun.
You're gonna eat the red ones?
So if you guys follow me,
The red ones?
yeah, you can have the red one. I ate a flower. Oh, it's the middle.
Yes, the middle is spicy.
Woo! I didn't feel it from just the end of the petal. We're gonna figure out how much our different vegetables weigh. Now, some of these were harvested right from our own garden. Some of them are from other school gardens in Wyoming. They shared their harvest with us so we could have some different things to weigh. You grab 4 vegetables, so they're all in this area. There's some behind me. Okay, get 4 of them, come back, and then we're gonna weigh them.
Good job. How many do you have now?
3.
Good, you get 1 more.
Tomato. I got a pumpkin now. Get my pumpkin.
Good thing you're here. You're catching me.
Just give me my pumpkin. I got a pumpkin. Just give me my pumpkin. Yay! Hey, give me my pumpkin. Guys, let's listen.
What do you think? Almost 12 pounds. Look at it.
12 pounds. Pumpkin.
There's also a little yellow one. Oh, that might be ready.
I want yellow.
The yellow ones are good.
I think that was one I just picked. Mommy, I'm gonna get
Please, yeah, go get the spoon tomatoes.
So go for the only there's red or yellow.
Ooh.
So you're not getting green ones because they aren't
Ooh.
You want to try to get some of those spoon tomatoes?
Yeah. Are they little ones?
The little teeny red ones.
Really good.
little seeds that are exploding outside of it. Now you can grab a few and you can blow them away. And they're going to help grow more plants that butterflies like. So if you have more plants that butterflies like, you get more butterflies.
I think I got one.